Kansas Supreme Court issuing a ruling today in a case about a challenged law that makes it a felony to impersonate election officials.
Voter education groups say the law is too vague and infringes on their First Amendment rights. 12 News reporter Kel Chapman spoke with the groups challenging the bill and is here with more.
The groups I've talked to that are involved in the suit say they've stopped all voter registration activities since the law passed in 2021 because they're afraid volunteers could be charged with a felony. They say today's ruling validated their concerns, and they're glad they will get their day in court.
We are living to fight another day.
Martha Pint, the president of the League of Women Voters Kansas, says this ruling has been years in the making, but there's more that needs to be done.
It's a battle we won. It's not the war. You know, we felt confident all along that if we could just get our concerns aired before one of the courts, we feel very confident that we will come out ahead on this.
The law in question reads, false representation of an election official is knowingly engaging in any of the following conduct while not holding a position as an election official: representing oneself as an election official, engaging in conduct that gives the appearance of being an election official, or engaging in conduct that would cause another person to believe a person engaging in such conduct is an election official. The League and 3 other nonprofit voting advocacy groups challenged the second and third points in court, saying even if they clearly identify themselves, because people could mistake them for election officials while holding voter registration drives, they risk being charged with a felony.
I was registering voters in Southeast Kansas a handful of years ago, and I've had people ask me, are you at the county clerk's office? Are you at the Secretary of State's office? It's harmless. I correct them and explain the situation. But under this law, that simple mistake of the listener, that then makes me a criminal.
An appeals court dismissed the case, saying the groups lacked standing. Today's decision by the state Supreme Court reinstates their suit and sends the case back to the appeals court for further proceedings. Kansas Attorney General Chris Kobach called today's ruling merely jurisdictional. The deadline for a rehearing set by the Kansas State Supreme Court is December 29th.